Hello friends, today we are going to discuss important topic of a compiler design, that is Yak parser or Yak tool. Yak parser is nothing but your yet another compiler parser, which is also called as Yak tool. The Yak parser or Yak tool is used to generate or construct a parse tree from the given tokens. What is token? Token is nothing but a category or class of a input uh, given to the input string, that is identifier, constant, etc, etc, etc. But the responsibility of parser is to create or to construct a parse tree from the given tokens. Okay, now next, yet another compiler has a form, which is this Yak specification. Yak compiler is used to parse or to process on Yak file, that is translate.y. File name could be anything, which is given to the Yak compiler. And what will be the output? The output is y.tab.c. This y.tab.c is given to the C compiler. The output of C compiler is a.out. And finally, here we are going to give a token to this input string or a.out, and finally here we will get our parse tree or syntax tree. Structure of a Yak program. The structure of a Yak program is just like same as a lexical program, that is declaration, translation rule, and auxiliary procedure. The declaration and auxiliary procedure, these are optional in Yak program. The declaration, as its name suggests, the which is used to declare the C variable, constants, header files, and identifiers. Translation rule are used to define the what kind of rules or what kind of pattern is to be available, and what kind of action, semantic action, is to be performed by that particular pattern. This thing is to be provided in a translation rule. And auxiliary procedure, what kind of functions, what are the main functions are available, which is to be described in a auxiliary procedure. Let's discuss these things one by one. Declaration. Declaration is declared in a single percentage sign, curly bracket, and close in a single percentage and close curly bracket. Int a b, then constant a is equal to 20. This is the example of a declaration. Translation rule is just like as a productions. C produces or C implies a or a b b. So here head is your C, body 1 is small a, or body 2 is your bb. So here we are going to use head, that is starting symbol of a production. Body 1, what kind of semantic action is to be performed on this uh, body 1, and what kind of operation, semantic actions to perform on body 2. So thus in this way Yak parser or Yak tool is working. The main what we can say that the Yak tool or Yak parser is used to construct a parse tree or syntax tree from the given input token. The main responsibility of the syntax analysis or parser is to create a parse tree, to keep the track line of a number, to generate the symbol tables, to generate the syntax error given by the lexical analysis token. Okay, that is for syntax analysis Yak parser or Yak tool. Thank you.